Yep, it's currently raining here in Oswego. The rain is now light. Yeah, now it's starting to get heavy again. Yep. You look closely. See, yep, it's raining pretty good clip now again. In fact, this is part of the same storm system that's going to cause Hurricane Helene, or will be Hurricane Helene by this time tomorrow, to go north and then west. It's going to create an upper level low. There's going to be an upper level low that's going to cut off from the jet stream because of the very negative North Atlantic oscillation. And Helene, instead of going due north and then out to sea, or up the coast, it's going to go north and then west. It's going to loop back around and then dissipate over Arkansas. And the moisture, or that whatever low's left over, might reform off the east coast as a nor'easter in about a week's time. That's a possibility that some of the models were showing. Weak nor'easter on the coast, and then we'll slowly meander north and give New York City some rain. However, right now, Helene is a tropical storm with, I believe, 40, 50 mile per hour winds. Pressure, I just looked at the hurricane hunters. They flew in. The lowest pressure was for two readings. There were two locations with a pressure of 990.5 millibars. That's typical of a tropical storm. 990 is usually of a strong tropical storm with winds of 60 to 65 miles per hour. I have seen hurricanes with pressure of 990, but it's more typical of a tropical storm to have those kind of pressures. Right now, Helene is slowly gaining strength. Helene will likely become a major hurricane by Thursday morning. And by Thursday afternoon, we might have a landfall as a Category 4. Maybe, it's not out of the question that it could make landfall as a 5. But the chance of that is decreasing as Helene is still struggling to get its act together. However, Helene will make landfall as a major hurricane, as that's what the National Hurricane Center is now forecasting. It's forecasting a major hurricane off Tampa 8 a.m. in the morning, but by 8 p.m. it's already over the panhandle right around southern Georgia as a hurricane. Right now, Helene is a tropical storm with winds of about 40 to 60 miles an hour. I haven't checked the latest winds, but it does have a pretty big wind field off to the northeast. I'm going to currently check its strength, and I'm coming back to the live stream. As of the 5 p.m. advisory, Helene has 50 mile per hour winds. Motion is west-northwest at 12 miles an hour, so it is heading towards the Yucatan Peninsula. However, Helene is starting to get convection around the center of circulation, mostly on the north side, but there is starting to be a good deal of convection. If you look at my other live stream, no Category 6, max 5, cinco, maximum cinco, or cuatro, cinco, categoría 4 o 5. It's not going to become a category. I don't even think it's going to be a 5 anymore. Even though the NAM 3KM is showing 882 millibars at 12Z, 884, 18Z. The NAM 3KM notoriously always overestimates hurricanes. Always. It always overestimates tropical systems. It's something the NAM 3KM has always done. However, with Idalia last year, it did not show a Category 5. It showed, I think, a 3 or a 4, and it did end up becoming a 3. So right now, Helene, maximum. So the maximum is max categoría 5. 5 is the maximum. No 6. Anyway, I have to go right now. Looks like the rain is finally slacking off a little bit. Again. Woo! Look at that. It's pouring again. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Quite a storm. It's pouring outside. Like really bad. It's pouring.